Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how I turned my VLC player into a PSP. So this is a cool thing about it. Like, you can literally control the video with just, everything that's going on here. So you can pause it, you can go fast, you can rewind back, you can go forward, you can change the volume of it here, which is pretty dope as well. They got, I think that turns it off. You can turn it back on by going back to the USD over here. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to get it like this. So first and foremost, you need to download VLC Player, and we can download VLC Player from the website. And I'm going to put the link in the description below here. Once you download the VLC Player, I also have a link to also get VLP Player skins, which I'm also going to put in the link in the description below here, which it has many different ones. As you can see, they even have the PSP Go here if you're into that freaky deaky stuff. So here it is. So how to change it to this? Well, I just gotta find the settings for this PSP, because I know where the settings is on the normal thing, but once I change the skin, yeah, this was it. Hold on one second. Found it. So to get to settings, when you're in the PSP skin of it, you right click on it, and then you go to interface, and then you go to preferences. Okay, so for the time being, I'm going to go back to the native scale just so you can see what it looks like here, going from the actual VLC to the PSP here. So we're going to X out of this, quit that, and then we're going to open up VLC Player again here, go back into it. All right, we're at the normal VLC. So yet again, you're going to want to go to customize interface, never mind, tools, preferences, when you're on the normal VLC, and then you're going to go to use custom skin, and then you're going to want to go to one of these downloads. So let's just say let's download this one now, since I already downloaded the other one. It's going to download it there. Let's download it. So then you're going to go to choose skin. You're going to go to choose. You're going to go to your download files there. Then once you're in a download, you're going to go to save. Okay, and then X out of VLC. And then you're going to open VLC Player up again. And then this time, we have a whole new skin, which is 10 out of 10 right here. So this is a whole new skin I've never seen before. I don't know if it's loading or not, but okay, there we go. So it looks like a video. The videos are here. But this is how you do your skin. This is awesome. Media library play. I don't have anything here. Let me open up a video, and let's open up this one. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna do its own thing here. All right, I'm just gonna quit. We're gonna open this up. There we go. This stuff is dope, right? This is VLC Player for you. But all right, let's get it. Let's go. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, I'm here. Peace.